Did you know that I used to play the clarinet?
Like this?
Maybe not like that.
Became a baker.
Yeah, I mean, it's a natural progression from clarinet player to baker. Hi guys, my name is Tali. I'm here with High Holiday Cooking. So today we are making cannabis-infused honey snap cookies. The most important part of this whole recipe is obviously our honey. So we need to start with infused honey.
And I'm here today to talk about infused honey. That's a relatively simple way to do it. You'll be looking for what we call a distillate or RSO syringe. So once you've procured a syringe at the dispensary, what you're going to do is just remove it from the packaging, pop open your jar of honey, put the syringe directly above it, and press on the plunger. Now be very careful as you do this because the distillate will come out very rapidly, and you want to make sure you don't over-medicate your infused honey. And just like that, I've got a honey here that is infused with THC extract. After watching that distillate-based infusion with the syringe, you might be thinking, I want this to be a little bit easier. I'm just gonna head to the dispensary, buy a 1/4 ounce of flour, and just throw it directly into the honey. That will not work. You are going to need to activate that cannabis by placing it in the oven at a low temperature first, before blending it into your honey.
So they actually found honey in the pyramids and it was still good to eat. That's how amazing honey is.
Was that honey left over from the Jews when they were leaving Egypt, or is this like pre-Israelite time?
I mean, are we assuming that this story's true?
Good point, good point.
We are using an ingredient that is a controlled substance. Obviously, we are not cooking for minors, children. We are not cooking for animals. We are not cooking for your sick grandmother. Actually, we might be cooking for your sick grandmother. All right, so let's start. The first thing we're gonna do is add our butter. So this is room temperature butter. It's been softened. You can do that in the microwave, or kind of obvious, you could leave it out at room temperature. Next, we're gonna add our granulated sugar, 1.5 cups. We're gonna turn our mixer on medium and let that just incorporate. We always wanna scrape what we're baking. We wanna make sure there's no extra ingredients left on the bottom that haven't mixed in. So we've got our infused honey. We're gonna add it right in. This is a 1/4 cup of infused honey. We're gonna go ahead and mix it on medium speed again. Next, we're gonna add 1 egg. Now we are going to add our spices. We've got a teaspoon of ground ginger. We're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom. And we're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You always gotta have salt in every recipe, even if you're baking. Next, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And lastly, we've got our all-purpose flour. We got 2¼ cups of all-purpose flour. You can make it like a la Julia Child, where everything is a mess. That would be great.
Wait, do you think messy cooking is important?
Yes, because it's realistic. Like, nobody cooks really like this. Like, oh, I've got my garland. I don't know. This is the scoop that I'm using. Scoop some cookies for you. So I've got a big bowl of sugar in the raw. We're gonna roll our honey cookies in the sugar, just coat them completely. So now we're ready to bake our cookies. So there you go. We've got our infused honey snap cookies. If you guys liked what you saw today, go ahead and like our YouTube channel or check out our website. Also, make sure to share this recipe and our channels with your friends and family.